Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Era. My name is Ishwor paudel and today's topic is about how to check who subscribed to your channel. It's always fantastic feeling when someone does this on your channel, right? But the question is who did it and how big is their channel? If you wanna know how to check who subscribed to your channel, then watch this video. And if this video helped you out, then don't forget to like the video. Firstly, if you are using mobile phone, then simply log into the Chrome browser like this. Then you can see the three dots in your right corner. Just click on that. Then you can see the desktop side option. Just click on that. Then you can see the channel logo on your right corner. Just click on that. Then switch to the YouTube Studio. After that, on your left down corner, you can see the recent subscriber and just click on the see all link. Then you can see the subscriber list who subscribed to your channel in last 90 days. And if you wanna know lifetime subscriber, just click in last 90 days and then you will get the option of lifetime. Then you can check out the lifetime subscriber list also. This is all about how to check who subscribed to your channel, and if you are new here, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click on the bell button. Thank you so much.